It's really loud here! We're having disturbances! The bombs are coming! The bombs are coming! Y'all ready? Y'all know what doing that intro hits. As you can see from the title above. Hey, look, a plane. But as you can see from the title above, we have a mud jug unboxing coming and possibly a phone unboxing. I don't know yet. I haven't even got the mud jugs yet, but I know that they're on their way and they will be here by the end of the week for the upload at the end of the week for this video. And I know I'll be getting my phone too, so if I don't do an unboxing, you'll get to see the phone. So y'all know what to do. Pack the lip.
Welcome to the home of the hillbilly. Yeah, baby, it's a land of barbed wire, moonshine, whiskey. Park your car before you get stuck. Go and grab you a beer and get on up in the truck. It's going down tonight. It's all on me. It's BYOB, and I got all we need. Yeah, boy, I'm about to show me a city slicker. How to kick it in the sticks with the critters down on our side of the barbed wire. Money grows and rolls. If it don't, you gon' broke. So we hang out by the bonfire. Just a good old boys having a dang good time. We crank it up, we get loud.
What's up, YouTube? Got home from school today. Got my cell phone right there. But bam, what's up? So, you know, for those of you that I actually talk to on a daily basis, weekly basis, or weekend basis, or whatever our YouTube relationship consists of, ask me for the number. But got home from school, mail came, and I went out there. Look what came in the mail. It says Jeff on it. Who knows? Let's box. Bam, bam. Here's the paper. Alright, oh, I just got tobacco spit all over your paper, Jeff. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can still read it though, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, I wrote Jeff a comment asking for the white. Okay, so I said, hey Jeff, Big Country, 3394, here, can you give me the white mud jug instead of the black? Thanks, big man. Okay, this is what he replies. What's up, gangster? Saw a couple of your vids. Your tech redneck killed me, but the random ass vid was good. So yes, brother, I will give you a white jug. LOL, I would LOL, I would have given it to you no matter what. Take care, bro. Jeff, aka Big Man. Haha, I love it. And then he writes over here on the side, it says, why the hell do I always write? Why the hell do I always write at an angle? This is so much better this way. So, I don't know. He gave me a little bit of humor in it. So, I guess since the letter has already ruined the first part, bam. The white jug. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm going to break it first. There we go. White mud jug. I know I'm going to decorate it somehow. Haven't decided how yet, but it's going to happen. Now, for the one that I have. Dun 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 dun! Blaze orange. That is very sexy. Very sexy. I love that. I mean, you can see the camo in it perfectly. I love the feel to it. I love the feel. I love the feel. Let me break this one. It's always the first pop. It's coming up. Oh my God, there it is. It's nice. It's nice. Oh man, I think this one's harder to get on and off than my Rebel Flag one inside. But yeah, I really like this one. The picture on the site does not do this mud jug justice. It looks way better in person. I got a friend who's gonna buy her boyfriend one of these for his birthday. So, and he said he really likes this one, but she didn't like what the picture looked like. So I'm gonna show this one to her so she knows what it looks like. So that's them. Dip it on some Copenhagen Straight. Set that right there, and box is empty. So don't forget. So don't forget it outside. So that's the jugs. The jugs. We'll be back momentarily. Maybe. I don't know. After our new segment, the Get Some segment. Big Country's channel, we have a new segment called the Get Some segment. This episode is brought to you by Radical Sky. Get some! Crash landing. Yes, this is a video that's taking place over the course of 3 days. 3 days. This next part is a personal favorite of mine. The song is Fishing in the Dark, and it is a video that I found on YouTube that's a classic. Okay? Let's roll it. Because I know I did. That was awesome. I'd like to find someone to like have a big party and let's do that dance. Yeah. But I do have something really special. gonna be something along the lines of where and why and how it's gonna happen. But it will happen. Just a matter of when, I guess you could say. But this next picture is a picture of a girl that will be doing that dance to Big CG09. Show it. Oh my God, Big CG, I am so sorry. I just noticed what that picture was of. Ew! I did not mean to do that, I swear. Oh! Why I didn't take it out, you may ask? Because that's not the girl who would be doing it to you. This is. You're gonna get 3 girls dancing on top of you. Roll it!
What the fuck is your problem, Big CG09? You fucking fat ass!
Well, that's the truth about men. Yeah, that's the truth about us. We like to hunt and golf on our days off, scratch and spit and cuss. And no matter what line we hand you, when we come and drag